Hello student, welcome to my class of file handling for class 12th. Today we will do the practical in this particular video. So the first content is how to reverse a whole content of a file. Okay, in this practical student we will do the reverse order of a file content. So to do that we have to open Python ideal editor, that is default editor, and then I will open a file because I want to save this file for further use. So I will use script mode. Okay, so for that I will make the comment for here file handling program for reverse order. Okay, now we are going to create a file. The file name is rfile.txt. We are performing this work in text mode, so writing mode. Okay, and then file.write. You can write something content here like hello Python programmer. Okay, and now file.flush because I want to clear the buffer, and then file.close. Okay, this completed. So we are going to save the file name is file 14. So the data has been stored in a relative path. I have teach you what is relative path, and now the main process start. Okay, the process for file reverse. So what we have to do, student, we have to open the file again with read mode. So rfile.txt and then separate by comma read mode. Now what will the next step? So next step is we are going to create a list. Okay, inside that we will store the all content of file in a list, and then I will note down the location of the current cursor of the file. So that can be achieved by tell method we have learned earlier. And now we will run a loop. Okay, suppose that here is I in list. Okay, then after that inside that I will print what I will print list indexing. So inside that I will process LOC because LOC will be last index. Okay, so and now after that LOC minus equals to 1, and at end of this I will close the file. So now run it and check it, what will the output. You can see that we can do one thing, we can print it in a this way. Okay, so now you can see programmer REPM reverse from hello. Can you see that, student? What happened? Now look at the program back again. Now you can see this is easy method. Whatever we have done, file is open with written write mode. We have write something here, flush that clear the buffer and close the file, and then after that we have read the file. Okay, the same file, text file, and then we have stored the all content, I mean to say all content lines whatever to the list, and we have notice what is the current cursor position. So current position definitely at the end. Suppose that this is file, so cursor begin from here, and after reading whole file the cursor will come here. Okay, whatever the location it will store by the location variable, LOC variable, and then after that we have process, I am to say we have used the for loop in which I use loop variable I. Okay, to process it, and list because in list I will traverser, I mean to say accessing every element, I mean to say contents, okay, of the file, and then after that we have print the list of LOC because indexing position helps me to print character by character, but index will be start from the n to 1. Okay, so LOC minus 1 because n minus 1 should be the length. Okay, because n will be out of index error may occur. I mean to say the index is not existing in a list. At last, in the same loop we have done one thing, by decrement by 1 it will runs the loop until LOC will be 0. So that's why the output has come like this. Okay student, one important thing student, if you are using Python 2.7, I'm to say older version, you can use this one syntax, or you can use in Python 3.6 this one statement, list LOC -1, then comma, here will be end equals to double quote this. So this will print in a same line only. This actually, this particular thing for this statement for 3.7 or earlier version 3.8, and this is for this statement for 2.7. So today student, we have learned how to reverse the content of a file and how to do that. So student, homework and practice session for you. So do the file ending program, okay, of the day, whatever we have done, okay, and send to my email ID, and do the revision also, whatever I have sent the video yesterday. So till then, thank you and have a nice day.